Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a special package gifted to me from ROSALIND. They sent me a set that has 6 gel polish shades. They have different ones available on Amazon. Check out the link in the description box below, as well as a discount code they've prepared for my followers. On the back of the box, we have a list of ingredients, and it also says that these are 7 free. It does not contain any of these ingredients. Each bottle has 7 milliliters or 0.25 ounces, and they have more information on the back of the bottle. The polishes don't have names, but they do have numbers 013, 020, 019, 004, 018, and the white one is 001. They included a little card which has information about the product, as well as instructions inside of how to use it. There's a section on the back with questions and answers. Let's take a look at each color individually. Alright, so I removed the polish that I was wearing, and I want to go ahead and try out these polishes on my nails. I applied a liquid latex so that I can peel them right off when I'm done, and my base coat for my Madam Glam gel polishes. I'm going to apply one color on each nail, so I'm going to start with the darkest shade. I forget how much I love black polish. It looks so pretty. And this is the first shade, which is black, and it's very opaque. Since this is gel polish, I want to make sure that I apply very thin coats and I cure in between. I cured for 1 minute and it's completely dry. Now I'm going to apply one coat of all the other shades. I think this is my favorite shade. Next, we have this beautiful nude. I love this color. It's so pretty. It really does look like a skin. Then we've got this one, which is like a very pretty pink. And the last one, a super light pink. I like the undertone that this one has too. Now I'll cure and then apply a second coat. After applying 2 coats of each, I'm going to go ahead and cure one more time. This is what the 5 colors look like with 2 coats. I think the brown needs one more coat, and this last one might need another coat because it's such a light color. But the other 3 are great. The black is gorgeous. It's very opaque. And since I only did the 5 colors, I'm going to go ahead and try the white one on this sample nail. Looks pretty good. Let's cure. Let's do the second coat now. And cure. To finish off, I'll apply a glossy top coat. I'm using my Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the swatches of these beautiful ROSALIND gel polishes. Like I mentioned before, the brown and the pinky looks a little bit sheer, but you can build it up if you apply more layers. Remember to check out the description box below where I'll have the link to purchase this product on Amazon if you're interested, and use the discount code that they provided for my followers. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!